looking nice. I'm a serious potion. Pussy is wet as an ocean. Your messiah devotion. Nigga wasn't my chosen. Your opinion's opposing. Tell the truth while you holding. My mistake for thinking everything was golden. You talk a big game for such a nigga with no clout. Then you Kaluba, ain't that you from Get Out? Your mind distracts, you have no facts, you turn your back. And that nigga's a rat for praying for my downfall. Your girl is on the come up. I tell him shut the fuck up, a nigga really done up. There's no telling if a nigga gonna really come up. So shut up. Did you guys miss me? Because like, I kind of miss you guys. Not kinda, I did miss you guys. I missed y'all. Hey YouTube, how's it going? Welcome back to another video, y'all. We about to have a banger today, okay? Because guess what? Your girl is about to become a rapper or a singer or rapper. I don't know. One of the two. In 24 hours. So your girl's going to a studio today. Y'all better watch the works in the making. If y'all already seen my snippet from my last video, then y'all already know what it is. Y'all already know what's up. So yeah, I don't need to do any more talking. I'm gonna just see y'all when I see y'all. Look, yeah, right now I'm currently waiting on my friend Tyler because me and him are both going to the studio together. So yeah, wait on him and we'll see how this goes. Y'all like my outfit? Cute. Who y'all know? Even though I'm mad at Valencia right now, shout out to Valencia for this t-shirt, but I'm mad at you. But thank you for this shirt, girl, because girl, you got good taste and I look hella cute. So thank you, boo. But I'm still mad at you. But I love you. So, anyways, enough talking. I'll see y'all when I get to the studio. Bye. Tyler.
What's going on, guys?
He's gonna be turning me into a rapper. All right.
Feel me? We're gonna head to the studio today.
Yeah.
We're gonna see this young girl's talent. You feel me?
And check out his merch. His hat's fire as fuck, y'all. Cypher Motive,
guys.
Alright, I'm gonna put his link in the description box and I'm gonna put it on the page so y'all can check it out. But y'all already know what it is. Check him out, look his page, and yeah.
Eventually.
Guys, not gonna lie. No, kinda nervous.
Getting there.
Oh, this is so cute.
This is
You
it.
guys, his shop is so cute.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, can you say your name one more time?
My name is Ian, and I'm the engineer for
Yes,
tonight
yes.
right here at Ugly Duck Studios. We have much experience recording in the studio.
To be honest, no.
No.
That's all right. I mean, that's why I'm here to help. Do you have an artist name that you go by?
I actually don't. I just call myself Cece.
Oh, you're the artist.
Yeah.
Very nice.
So what do you go by?
Cece.
Cece. So do you have like beats, songs, instrumentals you want to record on?
I do. I actually have mostly everything. It's just recording it honestly and just seeing how good it comes out.
Of course. I mean, yeah, that's what we do.
Let me see if I could find it. Cool. Yes.
Sure.
How you feeling?
Nervous.
Don't feel nervous. There's nothing to feel nervous about.
You didn't even practice in the parking lot like you said we were going to beforehand.
We were supposed to.
And the Pro Tools is super buggy sometimes. Okay.
Yeah, these speakers are nice.
Yeah, there's the Barefoot Audio ones. They're nice because the actual like subs are on the side, and so it sort of fills a room. Yeah, you can sit if you want. Some people like to. But otherwise, you have the mic right there. You don't have to wear a mask when you're recording, obviously. This right here, if you want to hear more or less of yourself, just turn it up. It's set pretty low because you don't really need to hear it that loud. And then this is the track, so if you want to hear less or more of the instrumental.
Okay.
I would leave them where they are. They tend to be okay for most people.
Okay.
And then these are your headphones if you want to wear them.
Great.
So you should hear me talking to you, and I'll be here. I can hear you, and you can see what's happening on the screen, so that we can sort of communicate a little bit better.
Okay.
And then if you want the lights on, you can do this, or if you just want them off, just leave them.
Yeah, no, I'm in. You guys, we about to do this. We doing this. I'm pretty sure he said that I could hear him and he could hear me. So he's probably gonna be like, who else is she talking to? Y'all, I'm talking to the camera if y'all listening to me right now. So, boy, you gonna back up on my guy. Oh, hi, sorry, I can hear you. I apologize.
Yo, y'all really got me fucked up these days. Like, I swear, y'all niggas really don't be hearing yourself when you speak sometimes. Like, do you be hearing the words that be coming out your mouth? Like, what, bro? Yo, let me tell you something. He said he want that free time. I told him that he not mine. He said he want that G time. I told him that it's not right. Then switched up. He wanted that me time. I told him, all right, you start fights. I catch fights. I hit him with the backpack. You fucked up on the rock. Oh, my God. Thank you.
You funny nigga, bunny nigga, hop out, pop out. You talk a big game for such a nigga with no clout. Daniel Kaluuya, ain't that you, fro? Get out, your mind is trapped. You have no facts, you turned your back. And that nigga's a rat for praying for my downfall. Your girl is on the come up. I tell them shut the fuck up, a nigga really done up. Ain't no telling when a nigga gonna really come up. So shut up when I pop out and rock out. Decided to a nigga DM trying to vibe out. Oh, fuck, damn. When I pop out and rock out, decide into the DM tryna vibe out. Call a fucking ref, he need a timeout. Show's over, his holder, his shit's empty. You are nothing but a boast of the shit. It's getting closer to annihilation. Expect retaliation. What can you do when boy loving belly just like you? I do a Dex adapt. Do I poisoned and hit him too? True story about one girl and one fool. Great Googly Muggly. I messed that one up too, but you know, y'all got the vibes. That's crazy because I skipped mad words and y'all didn't even notice. I did. Crazy thing is, I just really like it. That's crazy. I like it. Could we say that one and just do it one more time, please? Thank you. Thank you. When I pop out and rock out, decide into the DM tryna vibe out. Call a fucking ref, he need a timeout. Show's over, his holster, his shit's empty. You nothing but a boss of the shit. It's getting closer to annihilation. Expect retaliation. What can you do when boy loving belly just like you? I do a Dex to that dudes. I poison and hit him too. True story about one girl and one fool. I like that one. I like that too. I was like, oh my God. Yes. Hey, y'all. That was the most nerve-wracking thing I've ever did. Oh, really quick. Outfit check. Boom. This is a moment of truth, you guys.
Y'all really got me fucked up these days. Like, I swear, y'all niggas really don't be hearing yourself when you speak sometimes.
3 hours later.
It was a success, you guys.
I'm so happy, guys. You should hear her. Whew.
It came out fire, fucking McGuire, y'all. We did it. We fucking Great Googly Mugglies did it, okay? So, sorry, I'm gonna move your teddy bear.
What's going on, guys?
It's official, motherfuckers. I'm a rapper.
Shit, superstar.
Call me C Breezy and they sheezy.
Feel me?
I was just about to say that.
You feel me?
Know what I'm saying?
So when you was in there, like, what was like going on in your mind? Like
How
when you was
nervous
in
as
the
fuck
booth?
I was.
Really?
Yeah. I was like, oh, this is different. I can hear my voice echoing, but it doesn't sound bad. I'm like, whoa, wow. And I'm just like, it's different. It was nice in there. It was like calm and like, you know, I liked it.
That shit's pretty dope.
I make more music more often. I see why artists be like, yo, baby, I'm in the studio tonight, man. I'm in the studio. She be like, nigga, what you mean you in the studio for that long? Man, I was in there and time was just...
Go by, you don't even know.
It's not enough time. I got more songs I want. You know what I'm saying?
Shit.
So...
Hey, shit. Got more songs, man. Yo,
You feel me?
we gonna make it happen.
Well, folks, I guess that's it for today's vloggy vlog. It's like 1 something in the morning. My cat's going crazy. You guys see my little stinky butt? He's going crazy for some attention right now. So, but it's the end of the night, you guys. I'm excited with how today's results went. I'm pleased. I feel like my bathroom has the best lighting, so I'm about to come in here. I'm pleased with how today went. I'm pleased with the song. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys for watching me put it together. Anyways, you guys, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this vloggy vlog. Yeah, overall today was a great day. I'm pleased with the outcome of my song. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed me putting this together. Thank you to Ian. Thank you for Tyler. Yo, shout out to you guys. If it wasn't for y'all, I wouldn't have been able to put this together. So, thank you guys for looking out. So, yeah, that's pretty much about it. Look at my little Luna. Say bye. Stinka, look at the camera. Look at the camera and say bye. Okay. He's being feisty. Oh well. Peace out, folks.